Princeton, what's wrong? Huh? Talk.
Nothing.
What?
Something wrong.
What's wrong?
Oh.
Stand up. Stop covering your mouth. Stand up and talk like a big boy. Huh?
I don't.
Stand up. What is your wrong?
I don't know.
What you acting like you mad for? Sad.
I don't know.
Cause what?
Because something
What happened?
is wrong.
What's wrong? You gonna tell daddy?
Huh?
You gonna talk to daddy?
I just want to do something.
Huh?
I just want to do something.
I can't hear you.
I just want to do something.
Do something like what?
I don't know.
You wanna ride your go-kart?
No.
Why not?
Because you won't let me have a do it.
I can't hear you. Talk loud, Princeton.
I said you won't let me have a deer bike with training wheels on there.
Well, you gotta learn how to ride your go-kart. Come on.
Huh?
You don't wanna ride your go-kart?
Well, I want to ride my dirt bike.
You don't have a dirt bike yet.
Well, I just want it.
Well, come on, let's ride your go-kart real quick.
Well, after we ride my go-kart, then I can have a deer bike.
Talk loud.
Yeah, after we ride my go-kart, then I can have a deer bike.
After you ride your go-kart, can you have a dirt bike?
Yes.
Maybe. If you ride your go-kart good.
I will.
Well,
What?
I put lights on your go-kart.
Did you? What? Is that a deer bike? Oh, wow. This is
Go on the other side. And what they got on there?
Trainer wheels.
Talk loud.
Trainer wheel.
Cool.
Thank you, Daddy.
I can't hear you.
Thank you, Daddy. Wow, it's awesome.
Okay, now, what is brake? How do you brake? How do you stop? Look,
And brake.
this right here. You push that down to stop. And also this. Just like on your four-wheeler. Remember on your four-wheeler?
Yes.
This is the stop, and this is the stop. That's why you need tennis shoes on, because this will hurt your feet.
Okay.
So you push this down, that's the stop, and then this is mean stops, okay?
Okay.
And how do you go? Just like on your four-wheeler. There you go. There you go.
I'm putting tennis shoes on.
Okay.
What?
Now you want something? Or you good now?
I'm good.
You in a good mood now?
Yes.
Cool.